start, listen, maybe we're weak because the parnasah is not enough. So if the new president comes, parnasah goes up. All of a sudden, new president comes, people think, president comes, more customers come too also. So he said, oh, the old one died because he was too expensive with taxes. The new one's going to come, that's our salvation. Same thing happened in Parashah. But the new one, they didn't expect anything. They expected this one's going to be better than the last one. But what does it say? A new king rose over Egypt, but he didn't know Joseph. What do you mean he didn't know Joseph? Joseph died already. Meaning he didn't know all the good things that Joseph did for Egypt, that put them on the map. Egypt was a little town. Joseph, with his Ruach HaKodesh that Hashem Yitbarach gave him, made them into a world power. It became strongest country in the world, and all of a sudden, new king comes and says, Joseph? Who's Joseph who? Who's Joseph? You related to Joseph? I don't know Joseph, sorry. What do you mean? He's the guy that's on the dollar bill. Joseph, the guy on the dollar bill. He goes, I don't even know who that is. Actually, you know what? Come to think of it, you remind me, I'm going to change that dollar bill. I'm going to change the dollar bill. I don't want to see his face. I don't even know who he is. Forgot. How do you forget the guy that built your country? It's called selective memory. You choose what you want to remember. We have it too sometimes. We selectively remember what Hashem said, what He didn't say. Sometimes we say, listen, Hashem, I love you. But if my friend's going to have a wedding with mixed dancing, I'm going anyway. I know you said no, but Hashem, come on. You didn't really mean it. All of a sudden, you go to the wedding. The women in the neighborhood, tzadikot, always tznuot in the house, with the little babies. Everybody's cute, right? Everybody's tzadikot. You think it's Rivka, Sarah, Chana. You see all the tzadikot. They arrive at the wedding. All of a sudden, no one has kisui rosh. Everyone either is not wearing any kisui rosh, or they have wigs all of a sudden. What happened? You're Sephardic. Where did the wig come from? What happened? How come your clothes so tight all of a sudden? Usually you wear something normal. Why are you so tight? Why are you looking like you're going to a runway show? No, it's a wedding. Oh, selective memory, you forgot. You forgot that Hashem's halachot also are for weddings too. It's not just outside of the wedding. It's very easy to be religious in your house. In your house, it's easy. It's not embarrassing. You can be with pajamas all day. Long sleeve shirt, loose clothing. It's easy to be religious at home. Open a siddur, shachrit. Open a siddur, mincha. Open a siddur, arvit. You open a chumash, even though it's like TV in the background, it looks like you're studying. It looks like it. Ava nitchak malo. Let's fool him. The Egyptians said, let's fool the Jews. We are trying to say, let's fool Hashem. Let's fool Hashem. We'll be religious at home. Outside, not so much. Kosher in the house. Outside, I'll eat Subway. But the tuna, Kodarav, come on. The tuna sandwich. Tuna sandwich, Kodarav, it's fish. It has fins and scales. What about the bread? What about the bread that's not kosher? That has the fat of pigs in it? What about that one?